Are you looking for the best heat press t-shirt printing machine? Heat press machines are a cornerstone of small businesses, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts who want high-quality, durable transfers on textiles and other flat substrates. The category blends precision thermal control, platen size, safety features, and workflow ergonomics to determine transfer quality, repeatability, and throughput. For this comparison,
Product number 1. VVOR 8-in-1 Heat Press Machine. The 8-in-1 VVOR unit provides a large 15 by 15 inch Teflon-coated platen and a 360-degree swing-away mechanism that aims to deliver even heat distribution with reduced risk of contact burns. It uses dual-tube heating to minimize center-to-edge temperature variance and claims a center-to-edge difference around 5 degrees Celsius, which is a meaningful improvement over single-tube designs. The digital control panel supports both Celsius and Fahrenheit, and the unit emphasizes safety through dual insulation and a stated surface temp range that keeps the exterior cooler than the working temperature. With 110-volt operation, 800 watts, and a weight near 39 pounds, it sits in the mid-upper range of price for a full-featured 8-in-1 platform. In practice, the dual-tube heating and silicone control buttons contribute to precise adjustments during long sessions, and the 5 to 6 minute ramp to typical transfer temperatures, up to 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit, is competitive for a multi-attachment setup. The 15 by 15 platen supports shirts, hats, mugs, plates, and even more unconventional items, thanks to the included ecosystem of attachments. Some users report solid build quality and stable performance, while others note that swapping attachments or performing calibration can require a steady hand and careful alignment. The machine's weight and footprint are manageable for a small shop or garage workspace, though it occupies a substantial footprint compared to single-function presses. Product number 2. OIEE Heat Press Machine. OIE's 5-in-1 model consolidates 5 press heads, t-shirt, 11-ounce mug, hat, and 2 plate attachments into a single unit with a 360-degree swing-away base and a slide-out support for safer operation. It emphasizes a digital control panel with overheat protection and an audible completion alert. The build prioritizes a compact footprint relative to the 8-in-1 options and provides a cost-friendly path to diversified transfers, including cap and mug work, while maintaining a 110-volt, 1500-watt specification that supports rapid heat-up and effective transfers. Performance-wise, the double-tube heating system and Teflon-coated plates aim to deliver consistent transfers with reduced risk of scorching. The 360-degree swing-away design and slide-out base contribute to safer operation and easier access during setup and removal. Typical use cases include beginners scaling to small businesses who want to print on shirts, mugs, caps, and plates, with the 1500-watt rating supporting brisk heat-up. However, the lack of a listed current price and some reported assembly complexity suggest potential setup friction for first-time buyers. The included mats and Teflon sheets help protect materials and extend platen life.
Product number 3. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press. Overview. HTVRONT emphasizes automation with an auto-down, auto-release feature that simplifies operation. The 15 by 15 inch t-shirt platen is paired with multiple modes, 4 fast modes, 2 custom modes, an auto mode, and an auto-off safety mechanism that cuts power after 15 minutes of inactivity. The unit claims rapid heat up to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 minutes, and a higher temperature target up to 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit. The design includes a separate heated board from the pressing surface to reduce burn risk and a sliding drawer-style safety enclosure to keep hands away from hot zones. Practical performance highlights include fast heat-up, even heat distribution via dual-tube heating, and automated operation that reduces hands-on time. This makes HTVRONT attractive for users aiming for higher throughput or less hands-on monitoring during transfers. The safety features, including an automatic shutoff after idle time and a separation between the board and heat platen, address common concerns with DIY heat pressing. On the downside, the white color and larger footprint may clash with some studio aesthetics, and some users may prefer manual control flexibility for specialty substrates or unusual thicknesses.
Product number 4. Vevor 5-in-1 Heat Press 15x15. Overview. This 5-in-1 Vevor unit includes a cap press, 2 plate presses, and a mug press in addition to the standard 15x15 t-shirt platen. It emphasizes a robust heating system with dual insulation, a 1200-watt power rating, and a swing-away mechanism with reinforced aluminum swivel. The product highlights focus on a lower price point while delivering a similar workflow to other Vevor models in the lineup, with a 110-volt supply and a 482 Fahrenheit upper limit. In practice, the 5-in-1 kit offers a cost-effective way to unlock multiple transfer formats without purchasing separate devices. The dual heat retention design and precise sensors aim to keep temperature stability during longer runs. Some reviewers note the assembly ease, and the included protective sheets and mats help prolong platen life. The main considerations are that this option has a lighter feature set than the 8-in-1 variants and may require careful attachment handling to ensure alignment across different heads. Product number 5. Horgilu Upgraded 8-in-1. Overview. The Horgilu 8-in-1 is positioned as a higher-end option with added workflow enhancements, including counting and mode-chosen presets to improve mass production efficiency. It ships with 15x15-inch Teflon-coated platen, cap press, 2 plate sizes, and multiple mug presses, together with a color scheme and insulation design intended to reduce surface temperatures and protect users. The 110V system runs up to 482 Fahrenheit and 1400 watts, with a heavier build and features aimed at commercial and home use alike. In practical terms, the counting function and preset modes can streamline batches and reduce repetitive tuning, which is valuable for small batch production or demo runs. The multi-attachment set enables diverse transfer formats, and the 360 swing away with insulated housing helps minimize burns. Some users may find the higher price point offset by the enhanced workflow tools, while others may look for improvements in the long-term reliability of the control box and consistency across all attachments. The included safety features and silicone mats contribute to cleaner transfers and easier maintenance.